Hello everyone, it's Maxim from PAGODA-BUILD, and today we are happy to announce that there is a technological breakthrough in Vietnamese stone processing industry. One of our partners installed first multi-wire for granite cutting. So you can see it's Gaspari Menotti 72 wires multi-wire machine. Let's go inside, see what they're processing now, and later I will tell you what else we're going to do here in this factory. Currently, this factory cuts the raw material 603. We call it V603. You can see the block is cutting there, and the slabs are being polished there. We'll also go take a look. So the polishing machine is from China. It's one of the top Chinese brands, PAGODA, and they use 22 polishing heads, thicker polishing line. Let's go see how the product looks. So this is a fresh slab coming out. You can see the polishing degrees are very high. We don't have measuring device here, but it looks like around 90 degrees. The color is very beautiful. It's a kind of medium gray material with a medium grain, a little bit bluish feeling. Beautiful stone. Let's go take a look at the slab. So this is how the finished product look like. Nice solid packing. Slabs can be up to 2 by 3 meter in the dimension, which matches the American standard and the European standard. This is how the slab look like. Have small black dots. Sometimes they can be bigger, up to 3 cm, but more than this we are rejecting. And once again, check the flatness. It's perfect, almost close to zero. So as I mentioned, it's the first multi-wire machine, and so far our partner produced here only one material, but in future we plan to process more Vietnamese stones with the big slabs, and also plan to bring imported materials and cut in Vietnam. As you know, to compare with China, Vietnam doesn't have any extra duty in the USA. And also in some other markets, so we plan to bring Volga blue blocks here, and also some other stones which are suitable for USA and for other markets. So if you're interested in buying big, beautiful slabs from Vietnam, welcome to contact us. Thank you.